Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at visitorshouse.com. So today I'll be guiding you through on how to create a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, this or this. A great thumbnail can increase your YouTube click-through rate. So it's very good to have a great and catchy thumbnail for your video. So in today's tutorials, we'll be making use of Canva to create that awesome thumbnail. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I post an awesome video like this. So let's go over to my screen and watch the rest video. Welcome back. Before thinking about creating a perfect thumbnail for your video, the first thing you need to do, there are some series of steps that you need to take. So the first on it is research. So the research is not that a big deal. If you want to carry out research, just go to YouTube and search YouTube. Just go there. Once it's open, you search about that keyword. Before you started producing this thumbnail, you must have already prepared your video. You must have done your keyword research and all of that. And there is no video that you create today that is not already existing on YouTube. So let's assume that you are creating a thumbnail maybe for your gaming video, your fashion design video, any video about, there must be a video on YouTube again. So just search about that. So let's search thumbnail. So let's search about thumbnail. So once it's open, you will see the top ranking video about this search. You see the top ranking videos, see what they are doing. So from there we can get ideas on what we can, the type of thumbnail that we can do. So are you seeing this? Are you seeing these thumbnails? So see what other people are doing, then try to create something that is similar to that. So you don't jam pack tests on your thumbnail. Just make it this is very okay. This is okay. So just look at the top ranking videos, because this thumbnail increase your click-through rate, that's CTR. So see what other people are doing, then from there you can get inspiration. Then another thing, the tools. There are so many places that you can get tools, maybe the photos, the emoji, all those things that you need for your thumbnail. As you can see, this thumbnail is having YouTube icon. All those things are some of the tools that you need. You can get them on, even on Google. You can search about those things on Google. You can search about, maybe search YouTube icon on Google, YouTube logo icon, or YouTube logo PNG. You can search about this on Google. Then you can download the PNG format. And you see there are a lot of YouTube logos. There are a lot of them here. You can still use other. There are so many websites that can give you free photos. So once you have your tools ready, then the next thing is to do is to for you to design. And there are so many tools for you to design this part thumbnail out there. There are so many websites, Canva, you can use so many of them, name them. There are so many tools out there that can give you access for you to design, create a design. But for the purpose of this course, we'll be using Canva. So I'll just type canva.com. Canva is a free websites for graphic design and video editing, but although they have premium version there, but for the purpose of this course we'll be utilizing the free version of this course. I already create an account with them. If you don't have account with them, you can just sign up on Viber. Very easy, with your email or even with your Facebook account. You can sign up. I already sign up with them. Then once you are on canva.com, there are two ways through which you can create thumbnail. There are so many things you can do here. As you can see, there are so many things, there are so many design you can create here, even presentation, poster, any design you can do that on Canva. So, and these are works that I've done on Canva. These are the works I've done, so many works here. So you can, there are two ways to do that. You can come here, then look for the kind of word. Are you seeing this YouTube thumbnail? You can click this and it will direct you there, or you can come here and search YouTube thumbnail. thumbnail. Okay. So are you seeing that? See YouTube thumbnail. So it will give us so many templates, a lot of templates for this particular design for designing YouTube. And bear in mind that, as I said, we have premium features and also free features here. As you can see, this particular template here now is free. The premium ones you can see is pro. So don't go there, don't go and click on the premium ones unless you want to pay for it, or you can subscribe for monthly subscription and have access to all the resources. So you can see, so then you look for any template that suits your design, any template that best describe what the video you have already created for. So but for the purpose of this course I can just choose any, but you can go down. There are hundreds of templates here. There are hundreds of templates here. You can just take your time, go through all those things and see the one that is catchy, that will best suit your video. So let me choose any one. It's very easy to do. Let me choose this, or you can even create from scratch. You can create thumbnail from scratch, but let me choose. But it's best to start with a template, or you can still do that from scratch. So once this is still opening, so once it's open, Canva is very easy to edit. You see, it's very easy. So this background is not that good enough. You can change the background. You can find, even from here you can find a good background from here. You can just search YouTube background, YouTube BG, that's background, YouTube background. And okay, let's YouTube background. There are so many results out here. Then, and if you are going down, make sure that you don't tamper with the premium template or resources here. If you search and you don't find anything that you like here, you can still go on Google and search and upload. Do you understand? So you can come here and upload some files here. So I can decide to, these are documents I've already uploaded, these are pictures that I've already uploaded before on my previous design. So I can input this on my design. Well, this looks good, then I can do that, or I can stay. I think this okay. Okay, this okay, then I can just make it as background for this particular design. I can make it as background. I can use this as the background, so I can increase it very well. Then shift it. Then I can move this, the position. I can move it backward. I can move it backward. Then let me delete this first. I can move it backward. Uh, so next thing to do, I can this how to, let me change this text to YouTube thumbnail. So I will just increase this and just play with it. It's very easy to do. Just how to design. Okay, let me see how to design YouTube thumbnail 2022. You understand? This very very okay. Then I can just go and get YouTube icon. I can go and search. I can go and search. Okay, go and search YouTube icon. YouTube. I can search for this, then I can just this free version, then I can use this. I can place it anywhere that will be okay. But you see that this thumbnail tutorial is covering this place, but it's not okay. Then just play with this until you get something that is very okay. Once you get that, then you can use this download. You can download your your design. You can download your design in PNG format, JPEG format. This is most likely format that you use, but PNG is best. Then you can download this. Once you download that, then the next thing is do is to go to your YouTube and upload a video. Once you upload a video, you will see where you can change the thumbnail, add this particular thumbnail. So this is how to create an awesome thumbnail for a video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I post an awesome video like this.